Today we are located just 30 minutes from the beach of Evans Head on this unique 135-acre conservation property boasting a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home. This property has endless opportunities for ecotourism and is one you don't want to miss. My name is Alex Gibbon from Ray White, and today on behalf of my vendors I'd like to welcome you to 1730 Bungawalbin, Whiporie Road. Come take a look.